Welcome to the channel. I know why you're here today, because you need drawer slides for a Harbor Freight toolbox. Now, I've already changed one of these out in the past because I accidentally ran it into a doorway, but I don't remember where I got them, and I figured I'd give you guys two different options here for replacements on this toolbox. I've got the cheaper unit, which is a Gobrico. Both of these are made in China. This was $17.59 for the pair of them. It's rated at 100 pounds. What's cool about this one, it has an automatic soft close, so it will pull in once you get to about that far while you're closing it. But it definitely is lighter, feels a little bit chintzier than the other one. This is a Yenyu, so there's no soft close on this one, but it is much heavier duty. Also, you can see here that the parts in the Yenyu are actually larger than the Gobrico, so you'll get less flex out of it and whatnot. This is the cheaper Gobrico. You got a little bit of play right there. And this is the more expensive Yenyu, and you do still have a tiny bit of play, but not as much. So what I'm going to do today is replace the drawer slides in my bottom drawer. That was the intent of purchasing these, but I'm also going to replace the ones that I replaced once before. I'm going to use the heavier duty Yenyu for the lower drawer because I store a lot of my air tools in there, so there is quite a bit of weight in there. And I'm going to use the Gobrico on this drawer, and we'll see how this lasts for us. After some time, I'll jump back down in the description of this video and tell you if I've had any problems with these. I'll put links to both of these in the description so you can purchase them. You can see here, as I get it closed, this side is really starting to hang up on me. That one wants to go in, and that one's fighting me. That's why I'm changing this. To remove the drawer, there is a quick handle right here. So just pull up on that. Likewise on the other side, which you'll be pushing down, and then pull out on the drawer. You're going to have to drill out the rivets. There's 4 of them. The last one's a little tricky. You're going to have to get it at an angle. Do this on both sides, and then we'll remove the inners from the drawer. Now we'll separate the inners from the outers. So we'll just pull out on them and grab the little clip just like we did to remove. For the cheaper automatic close version, only 2 of these holes are actually going to line up. So I'm going to have to temporarily put that on there and make a mark and drill a 3rd hole, or open this one up. I think it's off just a little bit right there. Another thing to mention here is, as I was closing this up trying to work it here, it was stopped and I couldn't go all the way in. So you got to pop that pin down so you can get that out of the way and be able to have the full mobility to actually adjust this how you need to. I've got the 2 screws in here. Now I need to figure out the 3rd one. I can see I've actually got half a hole over there. See right there. What I'm going to do here is I tighten these 2 screws down that I put in to hold it, and I'm just going to drill this right in place. Make sure the drawer slide is out so you don't damage anything on the center. Not working so well. I'm going to hold in on it because it's pushing out on me. Don't put your hand in front of the drill. For this application, I'll just use this screw again and tighten it down. You could use the same method down here, but with this drawer slide, I don't think this will actually work with our soft close. Yeah, the soft close mechanism is in the way, so you wouldn't be able to use that on here anyhow. Now I need to add the heavier duty one to the bottom here. This one, all of the mounting holes actually line up. For ease of use on this one, I'm actually just going to switch to rivets here, but I'm going to have to open these holes up just a hair, except for the one that I did blow through, and then it'll accept these rivets. Same thing on the drawer slides. I am going to have to open those up as well. I mark these holes and I'll drill them out, making sure that I don't have anything from the center in the way as I'm doing it. Put the back one in. Now I should be able to just kind of lift up on it and set the next one. All right, now we repeat this process for the other side of this, and then we take care of the drawers. For the more expensive pair, everything lines right up on these as well. So we're just going to drill these out from the inside. Now I'm going to rivet these ones as well. So I've went ahead and marked the slots. So the center is fixed. Make sure you do the center one first on this drawer slide. All right, so I've got to open up these slots. And unfortunately, then I'm going to have to hold it in center. I'm going to have to kind of eyeball this. And I want to get the third one in there, so I got to drill that from the inside. All right, now I'll finish up the other two and we'll check them out. So they're back in, and here is the cheaper set. So it does have the soft close there. So kind of gimmicky, I don't know. I don't think you really need it. You have to pull harder to get it out to begin with, which might be nice, might not be. It's not going to roll open on you if you have this closed so they aren't locked, which I typically do. But you can see how much side to side we've got there. Now the heavier duty set doesn't have the soft close. Now it's got way less side to side. Most of what you see here is actually it going in, not really flexing. And overall, it just feels better. As usual, I'll go through and put links in the description to everything. So I'll put the drawer slides in there, some nuts and bolts if you want to take that route, rivets, rivet tool, and anything else that I may have missed right now. I'll definitely put them in the video for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. And what's my recommendation? Which one would I go with? I would go with the more expensive pair just for ease of installation. I really like that. I like how they feel a little bit more robust. But time will tell, and we will see how the cheaper set really holds up for me. Thanks. See you later.